A very good morning to all of you. Today our topic is file management. It is very important to know about managing the files and folders in computer. Windows 10 is very advanced and it is very easy to manage files and folders. You can explore, search, open, save and delete file or folder. Steps of saving a file. If you want to save your file in any folder or disk in the computer, then take the steps as shown here. Click on File tab, click on Save, select the disk and folder where you want to save your file. For example, if we can select desktop, give a specific name to your file so that you can identify it. For example, we can give name data file. Then click on Save button. Thus, your file will be saved in computer and you can open and use next time. Steps of opening a file. If you want to open your previously created file in any folder in the computer, then take the steps as shown here. Click on File tab, select the folder where is your file. For example, if we can open the last saved file on the desktop, double click on the file icon, thus the file will open on the screen. Transferring data from one to another drive. Sometimes you need to copy a file or folder from one place to another on the computer. Remember that you cannot keep a duplicate file or folder with same name in a folder. You can copy it and keep the duplicate file or folder in any other folder or disk. For example, if you want to copy a folder named Final Project 2016-17 from each drive and keep the same as duplicate drive, then the steps are as shown here. Click on the File Explorer in Start menu. Explore the drive or folder in which your original file or folder is existing. For example, we can find our Final Project 2016-17 folder in a drive. Click it to select, right click the mouse and select Copy option from the right click menu. No more, you can also use Ctrl plus C key, a shortcut for copying the file or folder pasting. A file or folder, once you copy a file or folder, it requires to be pasted where you want to keep the duplicate of it by use of copy command. The file or folder goes to a hidden temporary memory known as clipboard. So, if you have copied any file or folder, you can paste it in many places by using paste command. The method of pasting is known as here. Click on the File Explorer in Start menu and explore the disk or folder where you want to keep the duplicate file or folder. For example, we can explore the F drive. Right click with the mouse and select the paste option from the right click menu. Then your file or folder appears as shown here. In our case, images folder appears in F drive. No more, you can also use Ctrl plus C key as shortcut for copying the file or folder. Moving a file or folder. When you copy paste the file or folder, the duplicate file or folder is created. If you want to move a file or folder from one to another place, then you can use cut and paste command. The paste command will be used very same as used with copy command in previous instance. Let us learn how to use cut command for moving the file or folder. Open the File Explorer and select the file or folder that you want to move. Right click by mouse and select cut option from the right click menu. Go to the disk and folder where you want to keep the shifted file or folder. Then use the paste command using right click menu. Thus the file or folder will be copied to new destination and will be removed from the original place. No more. You can also use Ctrl plus X key as shortcut in place of cut command. Working with multiple applications. When it comes to managing multiple application windows, one of the most common tasks that you perform in Windows operating system, Windows 10 really has it all. The new Task View virtual desktop feature make it easy for you to spread out multiple applications. The enhanced snap feature provide you with a great way to view and work with multiple applications on the same screen. This feature allows you to zero in on a single application and quickly hide multiple applications respectively.